Top 10 Most Beautiful Birds in the World. Hyacinth macaw. With an impressive length of 100 cm, hyacinth macaw is the largest of all flying species of parrots in the world. They inhabit in semi-open areas and savanna grasslands of northern Brazil. Their population have been declined in past few years. Today, less than 5,000. Number 9. Wood duck. Wood duck is probably the most stunningly colorful waterfowl in the world. The male bird has a metallic, purplish-green head and crest. Their belly is white and chest is dark red, along. Number 8. Bohemian waxwing. Bohemian waxwing is a medium-sized songbird with distinctive crested head and black masks. They are brownish-gray overall and wings have white and yellow. Number 7. Blue jay. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and beautiful birds in the world. They found across forests of eastern and central North America. The blue jays. Number 6. Atlantic puffin. Atlantic puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird that found across the coast of northern United States and eastern Canada. Atlantic puffins are also known. Number 5. Keel-billed toucan. Number 4. Peacock. Peacock is actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. There are 3 types of peafowls in the world: Indian, Congo, and green peafowl. The Indian peafowls are the most common type of peafowls found around the world. Number 3. Flamingo. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable wading bird in the world. The stunning red, purple-colored plumage itself make flamingo so special. Among birds, there are 6 different species of flamingos in the world. They found on every continent except Antarctica. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is one of the most beautiful and largest member of macaw family. They inhabit in humid, evergreen forests across Central and South America. They are famous for their. Number 1. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasants are famous for their brilliant colored plumage. They have a beautiful golden yellow crest, tipped with red. Their underpart is bright red and face, sides and throat are rusty tan. The